Hello and welcome to another Bodgit and Leggit video. Now the good people at Q sent me this. It is the ScreenBar E reading lamp. Now I've seen this and it does look like an awesome piece of kit. If you like me and spend a long time at a computer, especially editing, you know, sometimes a light is very important. Sometimes you don't like the big light on overhead. This gives you a light on top of the screen and it can save your eyes. It can do a few things. So let's see exactly what you get in the package, see what it looks like, and let's see it in action. Sorted. Okay, this is the box. Just taking the lid off, we get the special attachment that goes onto the screen. Nice weight at the back. We get the USB cable, I believe. Yep. And this is the actual light unit here. So let me just unpackage all these and see what they look like. Now this thing also has automatic sensing, so if you turn this on full blast and then you turn the light on, it'll actually automatically dip this light. We have the USB cable here. We have the attachment that essentially hooks over the monitor and holds the actual unit or the light in place. This is the light, that's the USB right there. So oh, we've got to do this. Ready? Oh, ready? Oh. Isn't that beautiful? Let's get it hooked up and see what it does. It's very simple. It just clips into the bracket at the top. This then just comes out. I'm trying to do this one-handed, it's a bit awkward. Just comes over. This is spring-loaded, so depending on how thick your screen is, and it just sits on your screen like that. You don't really even notice it. And we can actually adjust this depending on where you want the light. If you want it more into the screen, more into your desk, because it will shoot a lot of light out in the desk so you can actually see what you're doing. Shines the light on the keyboard, because sometimes especially when I'm editing videos, I don't like the big light on, but then you struggle to see the keyboard because the big light isn't on. At least with this will actually show me the keyboard. So all I've got to do now is just plug in the USB. So let me just get this set up and then we can see what it looks like. Right, okay, it's not completely pitch black in here, but you can see how dark it is. The other good thing about this is it means you don't need an ordinary desk lamp, because a desk lamp can take up a lot of space. But not only that, depending on how it is, it can put a horrible glare onto your screen. And if you can't see your screen properly, it's just horrible. Let me just try and stand back and turn on this. Look at that. Now it's a 27-inch monitor, and as you can see, look at the light that gives you. Unbelievable. I'm actually really impressed with it. We can actually twist it more towards the TV or the monitor, depending on where you want it. It's going to be great for me because it means I don't have my big light on, so I don't get horrible screen glare. Yes, I know my monitor's dirty, just, yeah, comment away. I did kind of clean it. And we can also see the keyboard. We can see absolutely everything. Now I know you can't see me. I wanted to wait until it got dark so you can just see how much light this lamp actually produces. Now this is on a 27-inch screen. I've been using it for a few days and I have to say it is really brilliant. It certainly saves a lot of room. There's no glare, you can see everything. The only problem is I now need more because I want them on my other screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on. Boom! Even the camera needs to adjust focus. Go on, you can do it. Go on. It's struggling. Why is it struggling? Come on. Focus, camera. There we go. It just got whited out. There you go. You can see the actual, you know, I can see the whole desk and everything. Doesn't take up any room. There's no screen glare. There's no absolutely nothing. I can see the keyboard. When I'm here and I turn my big light on, sometimes the big light kind of, you know, especially when you're editing videos and stuff, it can get annoying. You can get a headache from it. Well, I do sometimes. And it's just annoying. This just shines straight down. I can see everything. I can see the keyboard. I can see my mouse. I can basically see everything. We turn on the screen. You can even see there's no screen glare. You can adjust it to, you know, into more of the screen or out, depending on what you want. You can see the actual difference there. We have colour change modes, you know, for different moods. This is just the brightness, depending on how bright you want it or how dim you want it. You can see it's going back up there now. We have the actual colour change, so you can, you know, depending on what mood you're in. Again, on and off button, and we also have the auto dimmer switch here, where depending if you turn your lights on, it can do kind of optimize the light for the conditions around it. So there we go, look at that handsome devil. Oh, there we go, my Patreon, and at the bottom here I did try and put, you know, $1 million, but you can only go to 15,000, and funnily enough no one's actually given me 15,000, which, you know, I was expecting hundreds of people to do it. Anyway, right, and here we go. It's mine and Sean's second channel, so be sure to subscribe to that. Loading error 99%. But like I said, this, I have to say, you know, I'm really impressed with it. I like it. It doesn't hurt my eyes. I can see everything, I can edit, I can do absolutely everything, and I don't need my big light on. And you can see, like I said, just the difference it makes, you know, when the screen's on to when the screen's off. It is unbelievable. I'm really impressed with it, and like I said, doesn't affect your screen, it saves a lot of space. LED, where can you go wrong? So look, thank you to BenQ for sending me it. And the only problem is I need more, at least another 2 more. So there we go, people, that's it. So look, I hope it helped. Oh yes, obviously all the links will be in the description down below for this, and yeah, so don't forget, please like, share, subscribe and comment. All the links be up here and down below, but most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.